Blue energies are still in their developmental phase. The applications are especially in the northern seas, but now, in the last years, also in the Med area they are developing. For the development of blue energies, we don't have to make the same mistakes that have been made for the other renewable energies. And so the role of cooperation is extremely important. To assess properly sustainability is the other aspect that is fundamental from the very beginning, and the involvement of citizens in every step of the development of blue energies is a crucial point. MAESTRALE has been carried out between November 2016 and November 2019 by 10 partners of 8 countries for 2.4 million euro as a budget, and the partners were from different sectors like energy agencies, business support organizations, and higher education and research entities. One of the first results of the MAESTRALE project was the development of a database, of a GIS database with data on wave energy, offshore wind, tidal energy and marine currents, for example, where all the partners contributed to create this database that is now available for everybody. The MAESTRALE project has been carried out through 10 living labs realized in the 10 Med regions involved in the project. These labs produced 20 feasibility studies in which they were involved local authorities, SMEs, the general public, to determine the technological feasibility, so what is realizable where. The environmental sustainability, the social acceptance, and the legislative context, if it was suitable or not for hosting the blue energies. As I said, the citizen involvement is one of the key features of MAESTRALE, and we involve citizens in multiple ways. One, for example, is through open days. You can see from the slides an open day at the Giglio Island, an island in the Tuscan archipelago, where hundreds of people were involved in the discussion of the future of the island, and especially of the energy future of the island. On the other side, was very important to commit with the students in the high school to transfer them the knowledge about blue energies, and they replied in a wonderful way, producing scale replica of technologies and being involved together with us in the Night of the Researchers in Siena, where really thousands of people saw these new devices in a scale and could benefit from talking with students that for once were teaching the general public what they had learned. And in order to convey the rationale and the results of the MAESTRALE project, we used two very different pathways. One was a research topic of frontiers in energy research, in which we produced the results coming from Maestrale, from Pelagos, from Indomitable Growth, 3 projects, all on blue energies in the Mediterranean area. And the papers that were published in this scientific journal reached 55,000 views. So to show also that this kind of information is needed, probably, to understand better the implications of blue energies. On the other side, we produced a comic strip. You saw the characters of these comic strips during the presentation, and this comics is being published in 4 languages, English, French, Italian and Spanish, and uses these characters like superheroes that show somehow the potentiality of blue energies and that try to defeat the enemy that is called NIMBY, not for a case. This is the volume with the comic strip, but you can download it from the Maestrale website. Maestrale has an heritage with the Blue Deal project, in which Maestrale results and Pelagos results are put together in order to have a practical application of the results of the 2 projects. In Blue Deal, we carry out labs in which we foresee what is the potentiality of a certain area to produce electricity from marine renewable energies. And this has been applied in 5 different places in the Med area, and the procedure is ready for being applicable everywhere in the Mediterranean Sea. Thanks for your attention. I will be glad to answer your questions and to satisfy your curiosity.